In 2026, we're exploring 5 standout fall centerpiece items that will transform your decor. We'll evaluate performance, price, ease of use, and durability. Find links in the description. Let's dive in, starting with our first product that promises to add rustic charm to any setting. Our first product is the Hanobi round wooden candle holder trays. This piece adds a rustic touch to any room. Crafted with a distressed finish, it offers an 11.2-inch design that effortlessly complements farmhouse aesthetics. Perfect for coffee tables or kitchen centerpieces, it enhances the ambiance with its vintage look. It's ideal for those who love a rustic feel. The quality and design make it a smart choice for autumn decor. The wood finish is both stylish and durable, promising longevity and an enduring appeal. Overall, this candle holder is a value-packed option for anyone looking to elevate their fall decor. Second, we have the Fall Decor 2-pack Fall Garland with Lights. It's a vibrant addition to any space. Featuring enlarged maple leaves and 20 feet of 40 LED lights, it brings a warm glow to your home. These garlands are battery-operated and waterproof, making them versatile for indoor and outdoor use. Ideal for those seeking festive flair, this product is perfect for Thanksgiving or Halloween decor. The setup is simple, offering a convenient way to brighten up any area without hassle. For its price, this garland offers an impressive blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our third product is the 2PC's 13FT Artificial Fall Leaves Garland. This is a must-have for seasonal decoration. Designed to emulate autumn vines, these garlands are perfect for mantels and doorways. The maple leaf garlands are crafted for indoor and outdoor use, offering versatility in decorating. They bring an autumnal touch to any setting, ideal for those who love seasonal transformations. These garlands are easy to install and maintain, providing a hassle-free decorating experience. In conclusion, they offer great value, combining aesthetic appeal with practical usability. Fourth on our list is the Amy Homey Artificial Sunflowers. These add a splash of color to any fall setting. With 2 bouquets featuring UV-resistant blooms, they are perfect for both indoor and outdoor decor. The 17.7-inch length and 14 large blooms per bouquet make them a striking centerpiece option. Ideal for garden, patio, or even wedding decors, they offer flexibility and vibrancy. The bendable stems allow for easy arrangement, adding to their practical charm. Overall, these sunflowers offer a vibrant and long-lasting option for fall decoration enthusiasts. Finally, the Party Woo Orange Balloons set completes our list. It's perfect for festive fall displays. Containing 140 balloons in various sizes, they offer customizable decoration options. These latex balloons are ideal for Thanksgiving or Halloween parties, adding a fun and lively atmosphere. Their vibrant orange color complements any fall theme, making them a versatile choice. Great for baby showers or birthdays, they bring a playful touch to any occasion. In wrapping up, this balloon set is a fantastic and affordable choice for festive fall celebrations.